2002 Ford F-250 Super Crew 4x4 with a 7.3 liter, one owner, 126,000 miles. You can hear the truck running. The vehicle is like new. I dare you to find anywhere in the nation that is a Texas truck, no rust, like this one. Brand new tires, gooseneck, running boards, sprayed vent liner, sliding rear glass, new tires, Michelin's 10-ply. Yes, this is the real deal. A one owner, a super low miles, 4x4 crew cab, in immaculate condition. Not a door ding on this vehicle. Cloth interior is like new, original mats, keys, owner's manual, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Floor mats, radio, 4x4. Yes, even the cup holder still works. I'm sorry, 127,009 miles. Back seats don't even look like they've ever been sat in. (2002) Ford F-250 Super Crew 4x4 with the 7.3 liter diesel. One owner, 127,000 miles in amazing condition.